Hey guys, today we are introducing the all-new radar accessory module for the U1000 dashcam. When in Energy Saving Mode 2.0, the radar module allows the U1000 dashcam to extend its parking surveillance mode duration by reducing the power consumption. If a motion is detected by the radar module, the U1000 switches to standby mode and prepares to save the event should an impact occur. If an impact is detected, a 20-second video 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after the impact is saved in a designated folder on the microSD card. When no impacts are detected, the U1000 does not save the footage and resumes Energy Saving Mode 2.0. The radar module's detecting distance is approximately 7 meters or 23 feet, while the range of the radar is approximately 80 degrees horizontally and 35 degrees vertically. To install the radar module, connect it to the radar port on the U1000. Then, mount the radar as close to the top center of your windshield to ensure maximum coverage. Make sure that the Thinkware logo is facing outside the windshield. Once the radar module has been mounted, make sure the red line on the side of the radar module is horizontal. Note, your dashcam needs to be hardwired and you have to have energy saving mode enabled along with the radar option enabled on the dashcam as well. These settings can be found on the Thinkware app or the PC Viewer software. A 2-channel U1000 will stay in parking mode up to 6 times longer in energy saving mode with the radar module compared to motion detection parking mode without the radar module. The radar module is available on our website and in the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the radar module, please feel free to contact our support team.